Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. VS Code installed and get configured so source control works. Once done, open the folder you'll work in and create a new file. This immediately sets your workspace. Make sure to select the correct language mode at the bottom, right so syntax, snippets, and linting activate. Then install one essential extension like Prettier or the language pack you need. This gets you ready to code with immediate editor support and streamlined saving. Next, customize the middle part of your workflow by installing targeted extensions: language support, linter, formatter, and debugger. Once installed, open the integrated terminal Control+ and run your project setup commands like npm install or git clone. This keeps everything inside the editor. Make quick edits in settings. JSON for formatting and search behavior, and adjust key bindings to speed common actions. These steps reduce context switching and let you test, run. Finally, run and debug. Set breakpoints, create a launch. JSON for your runtime, and use the debug view to step through code while watching variables. Commit changes from the source control panel, create branches, and push to remote without leaving the editor. If something fails, check the terminal path and extension conflicts. Disabling recently added extensions often reveals the culprit. If the debugger won't attach, verify your launch configuration and restart VS Code. This usually resolves most integration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.